Hello everyone, this is teacher Wendell, and today we are going to start our trigonometry series. And we will be studying today angles and their measures. So this topic is usually the first topic that is given when you study trigonometry. Okay, so let's start. So what is trigonometry? Okay, so many of you would think of triangles. Okay, and that is correct because the definition of trigonometry is that it is a branch of mathematics that studies triangles and the relationship among their sides and angles. Okay, so this is the formal definition of trigonometry. So we only study triangles and the relationship among the sides and angles of the triangles. And trigonometry can be studied using two different approaches. The first approach makes use of circular functions, which involve angles and angle rotation, extended to include the definitions of trigonometric functions based on the unit circle. And the second approach makes use of trigonometric functions to study triangles and their applications. So these are the two main things that are studied in trigonometry: circular functions and trigonometric functions. So let's start with the part one of this lesson because this topic is quite big. So we will be doing it in two parts, and this is part one. So let's have the introduction or review about angles. As we know, an angle is the amount of turn between two lines. So these are two lines that meet each other. They meet at this point. The amount of turn or the space here is called the angle. So it is formed by two rays. So a ray is a line with an arrowhead. So this is a ray and this is also a ray. They meet at this point, and that point is called the vertex. So the angle is this turn or this space between the two lines. And what do you call these two lines? They are called the arms of the angle. And this is the formal definition of the angle. An angle is formed by two rays with a common endpoint called the vertex. And the stationary ray is called the initial side of the angle. And the rotating ray is called the terminal side of the angle. So to illustrate, this is the stationary ray. Okay, it always stays here, and that is where you start measuring or turning the angle. So that is the initial side, and the other line is called the terminal side, where the turn ends or the measurement of the angle ends. So the other way to identify which one is the initial side or which one is the terminal side is find the arrowhead. The arrowhead always points and touches the terminal side, just like these two more examples. Okay? Initial side, terminal side. Initial side, the arrow is going here, so this is the terminal side. And when you study trigonometry, you have to study about the two main uh, system of measuring angles. Those are the degree measure and the radian measure. So we will start now with the degree measure. So the concept of measuring angles in degrees grew out of the belief of the early Babylonians that the seasons repeated every 360 days. So this is their belief. They believe that 1 year is 360 degrees, 360 days. So, and 1 degree is the measure of an angle formed by rotating a ray, which is 1/360th of a complete revolution. And there are two popular methods of representing degree measures. Those are the decimal degree method, or DD, and the degree minute second method, or DMS. Remember the acronyms. DD means decimal degree, DMS means degree minute second. So let us now study the decimal degree method, or DD. For example, 29.76 degrees. This angle measurement is written in decimal degree form. It means 29 degrees plus 76 hundredths of 1 degree, or 0.76, or that is 76 over 100 of 1 degree. Okay? And let's have an example also of the degree minute second method. One example is 126 degrees, 12 minutes, and 27 seconds. So this is an angle measured in DMS form. And it means 126 degrees plus 12 minutes plus 27 seconds. And remember, 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. Just like 1 hour is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. It means 1 degree is 3,600 seconds. Examples: convert 89 degrees, 11 minutes, 15 seconds to decimal degree form. Our solution is we convert the minute to degree and the seconds to degree. You have to convert all the other parts into degree form. This is already in degree 89, so leave it. Now to change 11 minutes to degrees, remember 1 degree is 60 minutes, so simply divide that number by 60. So 11 over 60, and then you have to get 4 decimal places. Okay, to get an accurate answer, write in 4 decimal places and put the degree symbol. So 11 minutes is 0.1833 degrees. And what about the 15 seconds? So the 15 seconds will be converted to degree by dividing it by 3,600, because 1 degree is 3,600 seconds. And when you do that, you will get 0.0042. Remember to use 4 decimal places. And we have now everything that we need to give our final answer. We have 89 degrees plus 0.1833 degrees plus 0.0042 degrees. So the answer is 89.1875 degrees. So the original value, 89 degrees, 11 minutes, 15 seconds, is equal to 89.187 degrees. Now, number 2, example, convert 38 degrees, 42 minutes, 25 seconds to decimal degree form. Again, we will convert the minutes to degrees and seconds to degrees. To convert the minutes, divide it by 60. So 40 divided by 60, 0.7. So make it 4 decimal places, 0.7000 degrees. To convert the seconds, divide it by 3,600. So 25 divided by 3,600 equals 0.0069 degrees. And then you add all the degree values, 38 degrees here, plus this one, and plus this one, you will get 38.7069 degrees. Okay. Third example, convert 120 degrees, 0 minute, 21 seconds. So we will only convert here the 21 seconds. There is no minute value, it's 0. So 21 will be divided by 3,600, and that's 0.0058. Okay, you add it to 120 degrees, so the answer is 120.0058 degrees. Okay, last example, convert 62 degrees, 42 minutes. So convert 42 minutes to degrees by dividing by 60, and you will get 0.7000 degrees. So you add it to 62, So 62.7 degrees because there is no second value. Okay, so these are more examples, more practice. You can practice them by yourselves. Okay, so that is the part one. In my next part, we will be talking about the different types of angles, namely the angles in standard position, reference angle, co-terminal angle, quadrantal angle. We will be studying all those types of angles. Okay, so see you in my next video.